The process of conducting a data science project. Data science is not just about building fancy models. It's about solving real problems through a structured process. Here's a breakdown of approaching a data science project. 1. Problem understanding. Start with a why. What business question or problem are we trying to solve? Aligning with stakeholders here is critical. 2. Data collection. Gather relevant data from internal databases, APIs, web scraping, or external sources. Remember, better data beats a better model. 3. Data cleaning and preparation. Handle missing values. Remove duplicates, correct data types, and engineer new features. Data cleaning often takes 60 to 80% of the project time. 4. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. Analyze patterns, trends, and relationships. Visualizations help uncover hidden insights. 5. Model building. Choose the right algorithms based on a problem, classification, regression, clustering, etc. Start simple, then iterate. 6. Model evaluation. Use metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, RMSE, or business-driven KPIs to evaluate performance. 7. Deployment. Turn the model into something actionable, dashboards, APIs, or embedded in products. Make it accessible to users. 8. Monitoring and maintenance. Continuously track performance. Data and business dynamics evolve. So should your model. Remember, a data science project isn't finished when a model is built. It's finished when the model delivers value. What's your favorite phase in a data science project?